Hello dear friends, welcome to Certify Me. In this video I will show you how to check the validity of any AWS certification. For that, first of all, enter AWS certification validity check and hit the enter button. Here is the first link. Click on this link. It will take few seconds to load. Here we can see enter the verification code. Please enter the verification code below. What is this verification code? I will tell. If you have written any AWS exam and you have passed that exam, so in your AWS account you will receive that AWS particular exam certification. If you see that certification, there will be one verification code will be there. We have to enter that code. For example, I have written my AWS Solution Architect Associate exam, so I have passed that exam also. So I have received my verification code and the time, everything I got. So I have copied my verification codes. I am here pasting. After pasting the verification code or after entering, we have to click verify credential. Credential verification. My certification is active on 25/4/2024 and it is expires on 25/4/2027. That means 3 years of time. So my certification is valid for 3 years. This is how you can check your AWS certificates validity. This is how you can check your AWS certificates validity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Have a good day.